Let me ask you a question. Are you being underpaid as an IT recruiter in your current job? Would you like to be your own boss? Wouldn't it be awesome if there was a reliable company with a solid background in recruiting, helping you achieve high levels of income and help you achieve your real dreams in life? Hi, I am Lakshmi Kadali. You can call me Larry too. I'm the founder of OptimHire. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact strategies on how to help you achieve your dreams. How IT recruiters like you are using OptimHire to fill their calendars with high-paying opportunities and make 70,000, 1.5 lakh rupees, or even 2 lakhs on every hire. Just imagine if you have that kind of opportunity, what would your life be in 6 months from now? Nobody wants to be underpaid, but it's not easy to tell if you are. After all, it's not like your employer is going to come to you and say, hey, you deserve to make more than you are being paid now. Ask this question to yourself. Is my salary keeping up with inflation? If you have ever felt that frustration, then I can relate to you perfectly. With the OptimHire internal partner program, you'll have everything, including a high-end system, high-paying jobs that start at $5,000 minimum for the US process and 1 lakh rupees for the Indian process. That high-paying commission, like 20% to 50%, complete database access, complete support from the sales team, complete support from whatever you need from our side, makes partners like you succeed. I've been in the IT industry for almost 14 years now. I've seen clients who are struggling to fill positions. They've been waiting for almost 6 months to have a vacancy being filled up. And I've also seen IT recruiters like you guys who are frustrated with low-paying jobs or uncertainty in this industry. I wanted to fill both the gaps. And in 2 years of hard work with our team, we have come up with a perfect platform that can solve both the problems. For example, take Varsha. She has joined our internal partner program as an IT recruiter. And in just 3 months, she has placed more than 5 candidates and earned more than 5 lakh rupees through our system. Yes, we provide her with the complete support of our entire company behind her, with high-level training and everything that she needs. Next, take Jason. He has joined our internal partner program just 2 months back, and he has already earned more than 2 lakh rupees. And he has many people in his pipeline more to get more closures in the coming days. For example, this is one of our team's recruiters. These are all the recruiters. This is the amount of revenue they have generated in the last just 2 months. They have generated close to $80,000 worth in revenue. And they themselves have earned some very handsome money back. Almost average is more than 1 lakh rupees. And some of them have joined just 1 month, hardly just finished the training, and they're already earning money through the closures. Some of them have given us testimonials. You should be able to find their video testimonials below this video or in the email. You should see them as attachments. The reason why I'm showing you those commissions that one of the teams is earning is because I want you to fulfill your dreams. When are we going to have your own cars, your own vacations, your own home? When are you going to fulfill your dreams of having them? In your mind's eye, it looks pretty simple, right? We all know reality is usually a little more complicated than our imaginations. But I know this will change your life, and I want to see you succeed. That's why I'm going to help you. I'm going to show you how you can get these results just like these very fast. I really want you to succeed. I have been where you are, and I know how hard it can be. That's why I've created OptimHire. OptimHire is a 3-sided marketplace where we have companies coming to us who want to hire, or we have candidates coming to us who want to work, or we have IT recruiters or referrers from outside who refer and earn commissions. For example, let's consider from a client point of view. A client comes in, logs in, goes through the regular steps as any other job board, goes through the steps of creating, adding a job title. For example, they're putting up a job posting for software architect. They put up their descriptions, they add their skills, their preferences. They go through all the steps of what kind of positions, what skills they want, what type of engagement they want, whether they want a full-time employee, the contractor, or a fixed price project. Then they put in their salary range. They can, all other preferences that they have. And finally, it comes to a step where we ask them, hey, you want to make this job posting premium, where you can hire your talents in just days instead of waiting for 3 to 4 months to fill this vacancy. Then we suggest them to pay us 8% or 8.33% of the CTC as the fees for finding their perfect talent. This fees is paid by the clients on a successful hire, and everything happens through a portal. In fact, when they're publishing a job posting, we ask clients to pay us a deposit. For US customers, it's $500 in deposit. For Indian customers, it's 5,000 rupees in deposit. By having a deposit, you get to know that, hey, you're working as a recruiter on a very, very serious client who has committed to pay a big amount on a successful hire, and upfront they're paying you a deposit too. So you're not wasting time on a client who's not serious or is just wasting your time in building up their own database. That has been one of the biggest challenges as an IT recruiters, I feel, and we are solving that problem brilliantly. Next, we provide you with a very, very amazing filters. For a second, let me show you our database. So currently we have 6 lakhs candidates in our portal. And in that 6 lakhs candidates, 2.6 lakhs candidates are available immediately. And we have built some very, very amazing filters. Going back to the same job posting, you can select number of years, whatever skill sets you want, whatever it is, and immediately you start seeing those exact filters coming in here. And recruiters like you, when we talk, we go through the process of collecting their salaries, their notice periods. You can book an interview through the portal. You can chat with them. All these options have been built to help you source and screen candidates faster and faster. You have all these filters being added in by the candidates or recruiters like you. And this helps you screen candidates, go through the whole process much faster. In fact, not only that, if you keep scrolling down, you can find as a group, as we are all collectively going behind candidates, you can see the history of each positions. How was this happening, recruiting happening in other positions? How good is this candidate? Also, we help you with that. So this data about each individual candidate, what kind of interviews he has attended before, what was the feedback from the clients is also available for you to help you source candidates faster and faster. Another main uniqueness in our platform is that when you come to the candidate side of the equation, this is the candidate side where they can browse jobs. Currently, they have 2,000 jobs in our portal. Candidates can search with different skill sets. They can search for it, and then they can apply for jobs. But the brilliant thing here is we enable each and every candidate to refer their colleagues to this job. This helps us get fresh content, fresh resumes, fresh candidates to the portal, and always having a live activity on our portal. We pay almost half a month's salary, or 4% of the package that the client is paying goes back to the referrer who is referring the candidates to our database. So candidates can apply and refer. Another main aspect of our business is the referral portal, where external partners who can refer candidates can also earn 50% of the commission that the client pays us for referring candidates. For example, if you come to a partner portal, you can see all the different jobs in our portal, different jobs. They can look at the job postings and how much would they earn if their candidate is hired. So we have this portal. This entire external partners and relationships with external recruiters or candidates helps us keep our candidate database fresh. So for example, this positions, if you see someone has referred 10 candidates, someone has referred almost 20 candidates. So we source candidates from outside and we pay half our fees to them. Next big platform help that I would say is everything in our portal. We have our own custom systems where everything is tracked, how much fees is coming, who has been worked. Everything is fully tracked so that your commissions are very much secure. There are stages in each job posting in our backend system that we give you access to, that you can pick and you can work through. And the real mathematics that comes in here is, for example, let me take you to one of the recruiters' profile and the pipeline. So if you go to recruiters tab, this is just right now, I'm in July, month is over. So you can see from July 1st to July 31st, one recruiter, I've just selected one recruiter, Bhavani. She was able to source almost 162 candidates in our pipeline for different job postings in just 1 month. So this is on 30th, she was able to give 4 candidates to one of the job postings. This is on 29th, she was able to give another 5 to 6 candidates. She was able to do that. So these are all different job postings. You have exact results, what is happening with the candidate, whether they are skipped, they are being sourced, what is the opinion of the sales team, with the team leads, everything is fully tracked. Now just imagine in 1 month's effort, one recruiter is able to source 162 candidates for different job postings. You easily have close to 3 to 4 closures within this. 3 to 4 closures is like a huge amount. It's like even if you make 50,000 as an Indian recruiter, you make 50,000 per closure, you make almost 2 lakhs rupees of amount. And if you're a US recruiter, even if you have one closure, you're making close to $1,500 or $2,000 per closure. If you have 2 closures as a US recruiter, you might be ending up making $3,000 or $4,000, which is like 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs per month. So it all depends upon how well you build up your database, how quickly you can source candidates from our pool, and we are giving you every tool, all the tools options. We have our own database, we have full access to for you to source. We are using our external referrer network who are also referring us candidates. So we give you everything to do the platform. We have, in fact, we even have a calling options and a calling portal also through the system. You can call them up, you can entice them, you can do all the platforms. What we ask you to do is very simple. We'll give you a training, we'll give you all these systems, all these tools, and all these platforms. You need to follow the steps and the training given to you. And you will expect amazing results. We are looking for just 25 internal partners right now. Call the person who has shared this video with you or just fill the form below or answer a few questions below. And if you are a good fit, one of our senior members will give you a call and book a meeting. The best part is it is free. We are not going to charge you anything for this platform. In fact, we are going to invest lakhs of rupees on you and our systems and our resources so that you can achieve these results. We are looking for someone who has 1 to 5 years of experience in IT recruitment, who has big goals and dreams, and most importantly, you should be coachable. If that's you, in just a few clicks from now, you will be on your way to be a part of a lucrative opportunity that can fulfill your dreams and desires. In the world, there are 2 kinds of people. One who is lazy all throughout the year, who is unmotivated, and when there is a crisis in the family, say a medical emergency, he's running around all around the city arranging for cash to pay the medical bills. Or there is a second kind of person who is hardworking, who is motivated, and when there is a crisis in the family, he has the cash in his bank and he can pay the medical bills and he's able to spend valuable time with his family when there is a medical emergency. Which kind of person are you? If you are the second kind of person, then we want you in our team. Welcome. See you on the other side.